Welcome to Shortview Trading. This is your daily 1 minute market hit for Thursday, October the 17th. What matters for traders today? Yesterday we articulated the pause theme, the idea that markets have come a long way pretty fast. The Nikkei, for example, month to date is already up 3.3% as of the close yesterday. The DAX up around 2%, the S&P up less, but of course it had a wobbly couple of first days at the start of this month. But with that strong risk appetite, our models have moved to high levels. We showed you our key risk appetite scoring system yesterday, the 1 to 2 week market timing model that was back on sell, suggesting that pause or even give back thesis should play out. And of course with that, we've had strong sector rotation over the course of this month with a big move into cyclicals, out of defensives, and also into the key tech leadership stocks. In fact, you'll see on your screen now the FANG's technical scoring system is now quite overbought, suggesting they're due a pause as well. And it was interesting in that respect to see how price action played out yesterday, starting to confirm that pause thesis. Bonds sort of stabilizing a bit yesterday, even bouncing very small. S&P off slightly, and higher riskier assets off even more. Of course, tech down, semis off even more. They've been strong leadership this month, giving back quite a bit yesterday. So a little bit of risk off, that'll feed into our risk appetite models, which will give back a bit. And so that pause thesis starting to play out. So what are we watching today? 4 key things. 1, the price action with respect to the pause thesis. 2, in that context, of course, bond yields in particular. Today's a key day. Housing starts and permits. How strong will they be? Remember last month they bounced, they started to move out of a 2-year range. Yesterday's housing index was strong as well, so will starts and permits be strong today as well and influence bond yields. Thirdly, of course, earnings. 10% of the S&P is now reported. They're bang in line with the usual expectations. 4% EPS upside surprise, pretty much what it does every quarter, 3 to 5. Bang in line with that so far. Today we have a whole bunch of more companies, Honeywell, Morgan Stanley, and of course Union Pacific, amongst many others. And then finally, a number of key ECB and Fed speakers today, including Williams, last thing, probably the most important, the New York president, John Williams, speaking after hours in Europe, and I think even after hours in the States. He'll be watched closely. The Fed expectations for cuts are pretty well priced for October now, so watch that as well. So that's it from us. Thank you for listening. That's your 1 minute market hit for Thursday, 17th of October. Please sign up on YouTube and subscribe to this daily hit, or find us on Twitter. Thank you very much.